Hello everybody, let's learn tricky words, idiom style phrases. The cat is happy. It is fun. She can run. He is big. It was hot. Where is my toy? What is that? This is my ball. 2. I like to jump. Go. Let's go. Why are you sad? Who is there? This is his hat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Bye bye.